Today we'll be taking a look at an Android tablet that caught me by surprise. Stick around. Now, Alldocube isn't a brand that I don't think many are familiar with, and even before doing this video, I was pretty much in the same boat. Towards the tail end of last year, the company let me know that they were starting an Indiegogo campaign for their brand new tablet. And while I was skeptical at first because there are a lot of bad Android tablets, this one is really nice. So the Alldocube X comes in this box, which is quite nice. I like the design on the front, but there aren't any labels letting you know what it is, the specifications, or any other details. I won't lie to you, I was pretty disappointed once the tablet came out because that packaging is just reminiscent of pretty much every other cheap Android tablet that I've ever checked out in the past. But you can't judge its packaging, so let's move on with the accessories first. So here we have a USB cable. It is a full-size USB on one end and a Type-C on the other. Underneath the other bit of cardboard piece that's inside the box, you get a charging brick. Now this outputs at 5, 7, and 9 volts at 2 amps and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. And it offers something called Pump Express 2.0, which is supposed to be its quick charging solution. While Alldocube does say that the X has a long standby time of 72 hours and can survive up to 5.5 hours under heavy use, it doesn't offer times for its charging, so we'll just have to try that out once we get a little bit more time with this unit. I'll admit on first glance, this tablet looks like a lot of other cheap tablets, but once you get it in hand, it feels great, and the display is absolutely amazing. This tablet is also powered by a MediaTek MT8176 with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. Perhaps one of the unique features of this tablet is that it offers a fingerprint reader on the side. This is something that you see on more high-end tablets and is not common for something in this price range. The Alldocube X runs Android 8.1 out of the box, and it is unknown at this time whether the company plans to upgrade to Android 9. Luckily, it does appear to care about security updates and other bug fixes, as it pushed an update in January to address those two things. While it has a solid design and beautiful display, the Alldocube X isn't the most powerful tablet on the market, as it relies on the MediaTek MT8176 processor that's paired with 4 gigs of RAM, so you can expect performance that runs in the middle of the pack, with an Antutu score of around 108,000. If you plan to use this tablet as a media device, it is an excellent choice. The display is crisp and bright. The stereo speakers provide more than enough sound. And while it doesn't have the most robust processor, it can still handle gaming quite well. Now that the tablet is available through retail channels, it is priced at around $269, which is a pretty fair price for what you're getting here. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.